Hi, my name is G. Neghan. I am doing current level foundation 2.
Neghan will start the dictation now. 43 add 65 less 86. The answer is
34.
Try once again. Add 43 add 65 less 86.
22.
Correct. Next sum. Add 26 add 97 less 82. The answer is
This
82.
this 82. 41.
Correct. Add 78 add 61 less 95. The answer is
This
95.
44.
Correct. Add 86 less 29 add 78. The answer is
78.
8.
135.
Correct. Add 47 add 86
Add 86.
less 99.
99.
The answer is
232.
no. Try once again. Add 47 add 86 less 99. The answer is
34.
correct. Add 65 add 46 less 78. The answer is
This
78.
33.
Correct. Over.